This ELEAD Recovery Tow Strap in 30-foot length comes as a complete kit with heavy-duty strap, hitch receiver, shackles, and a storage bag, so you are ready for roadside or off-road pulls right out of the box. The wide 3-inch strap and robust hardware are built for serious recovery work, with a tested braking strength in the tens of thousands of pounds that inspires confidence when towing larger trucks and sport utility vehicles. Reinforced D-ring shackles and the included hitch receiver create a secure connection point that feels solid and reduces the chance of sudden failures during high-tension recoveries. The strap material and stitching are clearly designed for repeated use in mud, sand, and snow, making it a practical choice for off-road enthusiasts, farmers, and work crews alike. Hooks and hardware have protective finishes and bumpers that help resist corrosion and minimize damage to attachment points on your vehicle. Overall, this ELEAD setup feels like a thoughtfully assembled, heavy-duty recovery solution that packs neatly into its bag and earns a spot as a permanent part of your vehicle emergency gear.